Work out 3.67 times 4.2. This is question 20A from the Edexcel November 2021 Foundation Paper 1. In this video, I'll show you how to multiply a decimal by another decimal. This video is especially for those who already know how to multiply using the Napier method. So here are my Napier bones. Because we're multiplying a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number, we've got 3 columns and 2 rows. The 3-digit number is going to go along the top, 1 digit per column, and the 2-digit number is going to go down the side, 1 digit per row. Because the two numbers we're multiplying are decimal numbers, we need to place our decimal points on our Napier bones. So for 3.67, the decimal point is between the 3 and the 6 over here. So I'm going to place my decimal point at the top of this vertical line. For 4.2, the decimal point is between the 4 and the 2. So I'm going to place my decimal point at the end of this horizontal line. Notice I've kept the position of the decimal points between 3 and 6, and it's between 3 and 6 here. And here it's between 4 and 2, and the decimal points between 4 and 2 here as well. Now this is very important because the placement of the decimal point is going to determine where the decimal will go in the final answer. Now we're going to multiply. Remember, when you're using the Napier method, all the products have to be in 2 digits, even the single-digit numbers. Right, so we've got 7 times 4, which is 28. Here we've got 7 times 2, so the 7. So we've got 7 times 2, which is 14. 6 times 4, 24. 3 times 4, 12. 6 times 2, 12. And finally, we have 3 times 2, which is 6. But we still need to write it as 2 digits. So we'll write this as 0, 6. Now we've got all our products. We just need to add along each of the diagonals. So for this diagonal here, we've got 4. For this diagonal here, we have 8 add 2, which is 10, add 1, which is 11. So I'm going to write 1 and carry the other one to the next diagonal. Okay. Remember to always carry the tens digit if it sums to more than 9. So we've got this diagonal here. I've got the 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 1 is 11, plus 2 is 13, plus this 1 is 14. So I'm going to write 4 and carry the 1 to the next diagonal. In this diagonal, we've got 2 add 2, which is 4, plus 0, which is still 4, plus this 1, which is 5. And lastly, we've got this diagonal here, and we just have 1 there. So we're going to read off the diagonals to get our answer. So answer is 1, 5, 4, 1, 4. Just going to write that over here. So now we just need to determine where the decimal point goes. To do that, we just need to follow the lines where the decimal points sit. So this one's sitting here, and then the other decimal point. Right, once you get to the point where both lines cross, we're going to go down the diagonal. So you'll see that the decimal point is between 5 and 4. So we're going to go back to our answer here and place our decimal point here. Now we can check if this answer makes sense using estimation. 3.67 is approximately 4. And 4.2 is approximately 4. So if we have 3.67 times 4.2, our answer should be around 4 times 4, which is 16. Now 16 isn't far off from our answer of 15.414, so this makes sense. Because we're multiplying a 3-digit by a 2-digit number, and because both of the numbers are decimals, this question is worth 3 marks. The first mark is the method mark for correct multiplication. The second mark is an accuracy mark for getting the digits 15414 in the correct order. And the final accuracy mark is for the correct placement of the decimal point. If you found this video useful, then you should watch this one next. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.